Hi, this is a tutorial to go over how to reset your password or retrieve your password on Potivity.com. So the first thing you want to do is log into Potivity.com. And when we're resetting our password, we assume that you already have a email account with us. So you had to have already signed up for an email account. There's two ways to sign up on Potivity, one with the social network and another with the email account. To reset your password, you must have an existing email account with us. So to reset your password, you should already, again, have an email password and some password. Let's say we forgot it and click on Forgot Password. Enter your email address. Click on Reset Password. Now we want to just check our email to reset the password. So we'll do that. We got to our email account and we got a message from Potivity.com to reset our password. So what we're going to do is either click on one of these two links and it will take you to a place to reset your password. So enter your new password. Click Reset Password. And you're done. So close this box, and what we want to do now is log back in. And you're in. You've got a new password.